Hello guys. Yeah, this would be, I think, a very exciting video for me. My Dollzone is finally here. I just came from work, that's why I look like a mess. I'm sorry about my hair. I just put this on, and yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted just from work. I want to do more videos, but it's nah. I'm just right now I'm not able to, but I was like, oh, my Dollzone is here and I'm gonna do this, and yeah. So yeah, as I said, I just came home from work and I saw the big box next to the door, and I'm like, oh my god, finally, this is a great day, and it's just awesome, and it's awesome that nobody stole the package. Yeah, I already opened it to have a little peek, and this is the box where she was in, just to show the huge box. I ordered her through bjddoll from America, because I had no other choice. And yeah, I ordered her last year in November. We have beginning of October now, so I almost waited a year for her. And it's not even a special doll, it's just the body. But yeah, okay. Enough, let's open it. Yeah, Dollzone. I hope it's in the picture. And it says Dollzone, I'm here, which is really funny. Yeah, Dollzone, I'm here, which is perfect. I'm also here. We are both here. Okay, let's open it out. Oh my god, it's my first SD doll, and so excited, so happy. Okay. I have no idea what to do with this one. Recycling, I guess. Package is recycling. Okay. Cool thing is there's really not much just not much things here to show. Just the doll actually. And let's see, what's this? Like my first ever order from Dollzone. So I want to see what's in here. It's like a cute little envelope. Okay. Random piece of paper. Why not? Thank you. Oh, that's her. That's cool. Sorry, did I smell? Just curious. Yeah, that's actually her. But it's just a new doll. No makeup, no wig, no eyes, which means it will be a project doll, but that's what I wanted. And I have got a cute card. Okay. Nice. Dollzone. And everything is in Chinese. I'm so sorry, I cannot read that. Oh, and a booklet. Okay. Dollzone, I'm here. Ooh, nice booklet with nice pictures. Aw, everything is in Chinese. It's probably some... oh, but hold up. Is there also English? Ah, no. Okay. Well, that's fine. Let's open it up. It's a good day today. It's Monday, and it's a good day. Ooh, my first SD doll. Oh my god. She looks freaking awesome. Whoa. Fudge, she's huge. Okay. Okay, I hope you can see that. Wow. Hui. Okay. Why do I smell? I smell like... It smells like mint or something. Wow. Whatever. Whoa. Oh, you're heavy. Yo. Yo. Wow. What? Wow. Okay. You look interesting. Damn. You are huge. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I got ice for you. Don't like the color. But thanks, Dollzones. Thank you. Is there any more? Like any present? Like any gift? Because I spent so much money on you? Okay, I must say she looks like on the pictures. Wow, you're okay, sorry, I have to turn it around. Her waist is huge. But that's okay. Yeah, the thing is I was looking for a very feminine body, and I think I got enough feminine body over here. Oh my god, can you stand? I don't know. Wow. Wow. Make funny noises. You know what? Hold up. I just wanted to see. I'm holding it because I wanted to see if there's some nice gift or anything except for the eyes. I know why you gave me those eyes, because they're not that pretty. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being so judgmental. Okay, nothing. That's it. Okay. Let's take off your. Wow, your hip looks. It's huge, but. Man, she's huge. Okay, but she looks good. Woo! Okay, let's make yourself a little bit comfortable here, because I'm gonna take off your. Oh gosh, I'm just. First SD doll. Wow. I have never. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. Oh my god, I have to keep this one, because we're gonna move. I need this. Ooh, and you have your little elf ears. I can see that. Aww. Look at you. Dollzone since 2005. Okay. April. Okay, I don't know if I will. I think I'm gonna keep her the name April, because I don't have any other name, and yeah. Everything is so long. Okay, if I do like this, if she is even on the camera, I don't know. I can't believe you're here. This is, I don't know, everything feels so unreal. But yeah. Okay, yeah. That's her. That's okay, I have to get used to it. I don't know. I don't even know where to put her. She's huge. Wow, I don't know. You look so. She's so big. I really have to get used to this, but I do like her. She's amazing. Yeah. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do it like this, and I will see if maybe I can put like a little picture just for comparison. What she looks on the pictures, and dang, your waist is big, but that's okay. And you are very, yeah, you can move around, hey? That's good for you. Wiggle, wiggle. That's okay. Ooh, yeah, Yeah, oh my god, look at her! Wow, you can... That looks good. I like that. Okay. Oh my god, the fingers are so... Oh my god, I have to be careful not to break them. They look so fragile. Okay. Why not? Ha! Ha! Look at you! You look so... Yeah. You can wait now. Oh. Yeah, this is April. And my first SC doll, and I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I think that's it. I have to, I don't know, I have to get used to that. But I think she's gonna be awesome. I have to do some body blushing. I have to give her a face up. She's gonna be a whole project, and I have no idea when I can come to that. And but I'm so happy that she's here, and I think she looks amazing. Dollzone April, BJ Divas, and I must say that BJ Divas did a really good job. I cannot really complain about them, nothing at all. They were like responding to my emails. Like, I think I got like 2 or 3, I don't know. Just wondering, and yeah. So yeah, this will be a project and an ongoing project. So thanks for watching, and thanks for being here with me, and yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. I hope your doll will also come soon, and yeah, stay healthy, guys, and I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you soon in the next video. Hopefully I will see, if not October, then November. Bye bye, ciao ciao, arrivederci.